Hello, this is Sir Shankar. How are you all? I hope you all are well at home, and you all know that today we will start our online classes. And today I am here with you with a lesson from grammar section of class 7, and I am requesting to all the students as well as the parents who are guiding their children to watch the video till the end. And I also request the students, when they watch and watch this video, they should be ready with their copy and pencil, so that whatever the things are written on the board, they can note it down and watch till the end, because at the end I will be giving you some homeworks, and that are very important for you. Let's begin with chapter 7 from your grammar book, grammar and more, from part 2, class 7. So here, my dear students, we will have the first chapter, that is tenses, chapter 7. This is part 2, chapter 7. In this part 2, this is our first lesson, tenses. So we are here with the tenses. Tenses means we know that it is a time. It talks about the time, and here I have written so that you can note it down in your copy also. So tenses that tells us the time of an action. What it tells us? It tells us about the time of an action. What actions that we are doing. So it takes us at what time that action has taken place, whether the action has taken place yesterday or today, or the action will take place tomorrow. So it generally talks about the time. Tense talks about the time, tells about the time. Now we have here in tenses three kinds. There are of three kinds of tenses are there. Tenses are of how many kinds? There are three kinds of tenses are there. Major three tenses are there. That is present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. But again here in each tenses there are again four sub tenses are there. Okay, that we will be discussing in the next class. But again here today only I will discuss about the present tense. About the present tense only. Here I will be discussing about the present tense, and its four sub tenses are there. Now I told you that tenses, it talks about the time, and there are three kinds of tenses are there: present, past, and future tense. So today you will be learning in this class about the present tense. About the present tense. About the present tense you will be learning present tense. Okay, you will be learning today about the present tense. So this is our first kind of tense, and I told you that in each tense there are four sub tenses are there. Here I have written simple present tense. We may also call it present indefinite tense. Simple present tense, we may also call it present indefinite tense. Now second sub point is subtense is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Then the third is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Then the fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. These are the four tenses that comes under present tense. These are the four tenses are there that comes under this present tense. Again, four tenses will come under past tense, that we will be discussing in the next lesson. If it is there, then I don't think that in class 7 it is there. If it is there, yes, in the same lesson it is there. past continue about the past tense also it is there. So we will discuss this also in the next class. And future also it is there. Four sub tenses are there in future tense also. Now I told you simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. These are the four tenses comes under present tense. So what things you need to remember, what structure will be there. Whenever you write a sentence, there should be a structure. So when you find this type of structure, in any sentence, then you just without any questions and without having any doubt, you just can say that, oh, that sentence is simple present tense. That sentence is in which tense? Simple present tense. So what will be there? What will be there in simple present tense? You will find subject. Then first form of the verb. You will find the subject and first form of the verb. And in the first form of the verb, sometimes you may be getting only the first form of the verb, or you may be getting what? S or es. Now the question is when, like you see here one example I am writing here. He reads a novel. He reads a novel. Again, another sentence I am writing here. I read a novel. Okay, now you see these two sentence difference I am telling you is there. Again, if it is there, okay, they read a novel. Sometimes 2-3 students also can read a novel, right? So now you see here, he is a subject, fine. Then this is our first form of the verb. He is our subject, read is our first form of the verb, and s it is there. Sometimes, like if the verb is catch is there, then es we can write catches. He catches a ball. Okay, he catches a ball. A novel. Subject is there. Then first form of the verb is there. Then s is there. So when the third person singular will come in the subject place, okay, he, she, it, okay, then third person singular when it comes, he, she, it, then in the subject, in the verb, always you write s or es. We have to write in the verb s or es. Here read is there, so s we have written. If catch will come, es we will write. Okay. If the subject is plural, so we will not write s or es. Simply what we will write? We only write v1. If the subject I is there, singular it is there, I or we, and all other plurals are there. Subject is plural. If the subject is plural, then we will not write s or es in the verb. We will not write s or es in the verb. Fine. Now here it is finished. So I hope you have understood when this type of structure will come. It means this is what type of sentence? Simple present tense. Now again another tense is there. Present continuous tense. What structure will be there? I have written here. You can note it down this in your copy. Okay, these points are very important. You can write it down. So whenever you will bring your copy for checking, like on Friday and Saturday, then I will check. I will see you have written or not. And remember, this time we will be giving you 5 marks, okay, 5 marks for this homeworks, and for 5 marks for your regularity, okay, regularity of submitting your copies on Friday and Saturday. So that's why keep it in your mind that whenever teachers gives you some homework to do, and you should do it regularly and submit it regularly on Friday and Saturday, okay. There will comes your 10 marks, okay. So now point number 2, present continuous tense. The subject structure is, subject will be there, the helping verb will come, is, am, are, then first form of the verb, then in the first form of the verb you will be adding ing. Suppose I will write here the same sentence. I will write here, he is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. If the subject is singular, then is will come. If the subject is I, then am will come. If the subject is plural, then you will write are. Okay. What I have said, if the subject is singular, okay, then is. If the subject is I, then am. If the subject is plural, then you will write are. Subject means this is our subject, okay. This is our subject. Now read first form of the verb, then what we need to add in continuous, ing. So continuous, whenever you find this continuous, it means you need to put ing. You just remember that if in any sentence ing is there, then it is continuous. It is continuous. Maybe perfect continuous or present continuous, but continuous will be there. This here also we will come, and it will be easy to identify which kind of tense it is there. That's why I am giving you a logic here. So whenever in a sentence you get ing, you just remember that, oh, this will be in continuous tense. That will be fine afterwards, whether it is present continuous tense or it is present perfect continuous, that we will see afterwards. That also after reading the or after seeing the helping verb. Now here helping verb is, am, are is there. If these helping verbs are there and ing is there in the verb, then present continuous. Present perfect tense, now another tense. Then here what subject will be there, has will be there, have will be there, and third form of the verb will be there. Third form, okay, third form of the verb. One example I will write here. By same example we will convert it into present perfect tense. Here he is reading a novel, it was there in continuous. Then same, if we convert it, if you write it in present perfect, then what it will be? He has read a novel. He has read a novel. So here also singular and plural case is there. If the subject is singular, then has. If the subject is plural, then what will come? Have will come. If the subject is singular, has. If the subject is plural, then have you will write. He has read a novel. If suppose they is there, they have read a novel. He has read a novel, and plural comes, they have read a novel. So this is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means the actions that has been done in the past, okay, sometimes in the past, but it is continue in the present also. It is continue in the present. That type of, okay, actions we can write or we can say that it is in present perfect tense. Present continuous tense, the action is taking place in the present and it is continuing. It is not finished yet. Then we can say present continuous. Now the last point is present perfect continuous tense. And here the subject structure, it is written here. I have written already, and you can note it down this also in your copy so that it will be helpful for you. Subject, helping verb has or have, singular then has, plural then have. Then been, we have to put here been. Then V1. V1 means first form of the verb. First form of the verb. I'm sure that these forms of verb you know already. Forms of verbs. Forms of verbs. First form of the verb, second form of the verb, right? First form of the verb, first form, second form, V1, V2, V3. If I write, then V2 wrote, V3 written. So this is called the forms of verb. V1, V2, V3. So here what is written? V3 means this forms of verb I have written here. This form of verb I have written. So this already I taught you in the previous class. I hope you know this. That's why I will not explain it again to you. And here you see present perfect continuous tense. Subject will be there, has will be there, or have. It depends upon the subject. Then been, V1, then ing. He has been, he has been, he has, yes, he has been eating. He has been eating an apple. He has been eating an apple. He has been eating an apple. So here what I said in present perfect tense, the action that start the action, it began in the past, but it is still going on. It is not finished. It is continue in the present also. That action, it is we can say the present perfect continuous tense. So if I write a sentence, then he has been eating an apple. He has been eating an apple. Or we can write that he has been reading a novel. He has been reading a novel also. We can write he has been reading a novel. So this is our four tenses are there. I hope you have understood. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can just message me personally. Okay, then I will help you again by calling you also personally in school, or some other way that we will say discuss afterwards. But I should know where you are having the problem, where you are having the doubt. So you just watch the video. Okay, if any confusion is there, then tell me. And after this, one homework is there. So on the basis of these explanations, homework, it is there in page number 84. Page number 84. One homework is there. Question number B. Underline the verbs in these sentences, and you will be writing simple present, present continuous, present perfect, or present perfect continuous. So after underlining the verbs in this sentence, then you have to write which kind of tense it is there. So all this I have already explained this, and you need to identify the tense here in question number B, page number 84, part 2, class 7 English grammar. So today I stopped here, this much only. Thank you very much, and I am again telling you that write all this in your copy and do this homework also. Very important, that 5 marks for homework submission and 5 marks for your copy submission regularly on Friday and Saturday. So that's why this is very important for you, and that question that I have given you just now, you do it at home, and on Friday or Saturday you submit it. I will check it. Okay, today I stopped here. In the next class we will see some new topic. Thank you very much.